Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this Baseus 65 watt 30,000 milliamp hour power bank. We are going to do a quick test to see how many times I can charge my 3000 milliamp hour phone from 0% battery power. After doing this test, I was able to charge my phone 9 times fully and have a remaining of 3% on the battery bank. In a perfect world, I would get 10 full charges, but in this case it is not. A lot of energy loss due to heat transfer and all other things. Super fast charging of 65 watts is only available on the orange ports. Fast charging or super fast charging is only available when charging one device at a time only. This power bank is capable of charging more than one device at a time, but none of the devices will be charged at fast charging or super fast charging.